Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Gmail with Google Takeout, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Gmail using Google Takeout, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Takeout website at takeout.google.com. You may need to log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the Google Takeout page, look for the option to select data to include in your backup. By default, all Google services will be selected. Click on Deselect All to uncheck everything. Scroll down to find Mail and check the box next to it to include your Gmail data in the backup. You can also click on the All Mail Data Included button to select specific links. After selecting your preferred options, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. On the next page, you will see options for the delivery method of your backup. You can choose to receive a download link via email, or add the backup directly to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Select your preferred delivery method and then choose the frequency of the backup. You can opt for a one-time export or schedule exports every 2 months for up to a year. Next, select the file type and size for your backup. The default file type is a .zip format, which is suitable for most users. If your backup exceeds a certain size, it will be split into multiple files. Click Create Export to start the backup process. Google will begin preparing your data, which may take some time depending on the amount of information in your Gmail. You will receive an email notification once your export is complete. Follow the link in the email to download your backup file. Locate the downloaded .zip file on your computer. Extract the contents of the file to access. That's it. You've successfully backed up your Gmail using Google Takeout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.